While it may not be absolutely necessary to know the science behind candle burning, having a basic understanding of it can be highly beneficial, mainly in terms of material selection, cost efficiency, quality control, and some troubleshooting. The science behind candle burning is a beautiful interplay of chemistry, thermodynamics, and fluid dynamics. Now remember a few things. Wax is made up of hydrocarbons, which is a compound made entirely of a chain of hydrogen and carbon elements. The melting point is the temperature at which a substance changes its state from solid to liquid. In simpler words, it melts at that particular temperature. Vaporization is a process when a liquid turns into a gas, and lastly, combustion is the scientific name of a burning process. Don't get intimidated by these scientific terminologies. I'll explain the process in the simplest words. When the candle's wick is lit, it melts the wax near the flame and the liquid wax is drawn up the wick through capillary action. As the liquid wax is drawn up the wick, it is exposed to the heat from the flame. The heat causes the liquid wax to vaporize and turn into a gaseous state. Now this gas mixes with oxygen from the air and creates a flame. The flame produces light and heat as it burns the wax, and the process continues as long as there is enough wax and oxygen. The blue part of the flame is the hottest, reaching about 1500 to 2000 degrees Celsius, while the yellow is cooler because of the soot that glows and produces the yellow light. So that's how a candle works. Now we'll see the types of candles and their uses in the next lesson.